I don't know what this is. I have never seen gas come out of there like that. Once you get past the point, it'll go. Now watch. And I noticed a leak under here with the gas line, and we just thought it was a bad gas line, but I have no idea what that is. Yep, as you can see, I have no idea what that is. I know I'm spinning it the wrong direction, and maybe I'm sucking the gas in, because it's kind of leaking and whatever, getting gas in the air filter, kind of like the float's stuck or something. But anyway, if you know what it is, just leave a comment below and help me out on that. Next time I go down there, I'll try some stuff. I got to change out that line, and I'll mess with the carburetor. Check that valve, that solenoid there for fuel shutoff. And if it's one of those, that might be it, but I've never seen that much gas go into an air filter carburetor area and spew out like that. So I just thought it was kind of interesting the way it flooded out of there the first time. Should have seen how much came before I actually started recording. As always, get outside, do something. We thank you for watching. Leave some comments of what you think this might be, and I'll post soon, hopefully, with the resolution.